Welcome back to Telepan TV. It's actually a Tuesday here, but I'm doing this video because I need me a patty melt. So I'm making us a patty melt that we do here at brunch at Telepan, only at brunch at Telepan. And the thing about a patty melt, it's a classic Jersey diner food. Burger, it's like a burger grilled cheese with some onions in it. So you got a ground beef, some rye bread, and to it rye bread, which I love. So rye bread, lots of cheese. They use American, sometimes Swiss. We're going to use cheddar today, and some caramelized onions. So I like to do a little twist on the burger part. So what we do here is I take a little, spice it up a little. So got a little paprika, chili powder, a little cayenne, some garlic powder, some salt, some black pepper. And I just mix it up really well. And it's actually, you could do this the day before if you want. So mix that in well. So it changes the color a little. You could smell that, right? Smell that? Okay. Kind of like a little barbecue spice almost. And we're going to make that into 4 patties, like so. And what I like to do is griddle these. So I got some going over here. And what you want to do is get a good color on them, good sear. Because remember, you're going to cook them, get them started. And then we're going to put them into the bread, and we're going to make them like a patty melt, so it's going to cook a little more. But if you like it a little more, cook it a little more. So, just going to put these over and get these going. So what I have going on over here are some caramelized onions. Basically take 1 onion, and you start with a hot pan. Add your sliced onion, and just let it cook down. It'll start to brown a little. And then a little after about like 5 minutes or so, or 10 minutes, you add a little pat of butter to it. And just let it continue to caramelize, cook slowly. When it starts to brown a lot, then you lower the heat to like a medium heat, and you're all good. Just let it cook down so it looks like this here. We got some good sear on them. And this is not your typical rye bread. This is a really dense rye bread we get from Amy's Bread, but I absolutely love it because it's got some really good rye flavor to it, and it holds up to the burger and the onion and the grilling, or the griddling part. So what you do here is we're going to take a slice of cheddar here, and we're going to take a little onion. Spread that out a little. If you're one who likes a lot of onion, you could put cook 2 onions on. Do that. And we put the burgers right on top, like so. If you want. Finish it with the rest of the onion. Another piece of cheese. It's good if you cook the onion the day before, and make sure you heat it up again. It'll help melt the cheese faster. It'll be good, instead of starting from a cold state, it'll help cook it better. So now you got this big, giant thing here, which is just awesome. And then you do like a classic grilled cheese sandwich. You get your butter, put a good amount in there. Listen, if you're counting calories, you shouldn't eat a thing called the patty melt. And now you got to be careful putting them in. What I like to do is have a pan started, like a medium heat, just sitting there waiting for you to start cooking. So that happens. So at this point, I would preheat an oven to like 350. Have one ready to go, so you can put it in there. It'll help melt the cheese. It won't also burn as quickly. We're going to pop that in real quick to the oven. We got some good color there. You want to add some butter, more butter to the other side. Alright. You want to just lower your flame a little, make it easier for you. You kind of need 2 hands of this. It's not easy, people. You really want to press down on that. You get a small plate, press down on it, like so. sprinkling of salt on there. Just line up, pop it in for a little more time. Alright, pull these babies out. Alright, so here we go. So we got a lot of good color. It's still a little medium rare. Perfect. Got some fancy toothpicks. You can stick them in there. You're all good. Right? See how the cheese is melted? It's perfect. The great thing about using the Amy's rye bread, it tastes like rye bread. And so you're really getting that rye flavor, onion, the cheese, a little spice from the burger meat, good grass-fed beef. Telepan TV, patty melt on the brunch menu. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching.